Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chashmis, and till the date we have seen many problem solving methodology in artificial intelligence. But when we actually question whether we know what is intelligence, means we will become blank, right? In order to avoid this confusion, from today's series onwards, I will be starting the theory part of artificial intelligence, and let's see in today's video what is intelligence. Let's get started. And one more thing, if you guys need the slide material of this video, then please inbox me. My email ID I will be giving in my description box. So, what is intelligence? Intelligence means a behavior. I am behaving intelligently, then the behavior is called as intelligence. Okay. Don't mind guys, I will be taking my example in almost everything. Like I will be saying, let's consider me, let's consider us, and things like that. Okay. So what is artificial intelligence? If we are revisiting the definition, that means we are synthesizing or analyzing the computational agent that acts intelligently, right? So when we are talking about an agent again and again, then we will have the question like, what is agent? Agent is nothing but something that is acting in an environment. It might be us like humans or dog, cat, robot, etc. Now we will have the question, right? How we can consider that agent is acting intelligently? Human things we have, like if somebody is getting good marks, that means that guy is intelligent. That concept will not work in artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, we will consider agent is acting intelligently if action is appropriate to the goal and circumstance. That means if the agent is reacting properly for its input and it's giving the output like for based on the whatever was the expected output and what is the situation it is expecting and things like that. And also it should be flexible. Okay, when I say flexibility, we all will be knowing what is flexible, but in order to make it more clear, let me give an example of the software. We have many software in day-to-day life, right? We have a software which will have the specification like it will work for 4 GB RAM and graphic card with XYZ things. And if the changes, if we are changing the RAM, it might not work. That should not be the case if at all we have to consider agent as intelligently. Okay, and we should learn something from our experience. That is, based on the experience, we will learn intelligence. And also, appropriate choices we will make based on the perceptions and computational limitations. So we are hearing the concept computation again, right? So let's see what is computational. So let's consider the computational agent. Computational agent means the decision will be or can be explained in terms of computation. Computation means we all know. If at all we don't know, that's okay. It's not a big deal. I will explain what is computation. Computation is nothing but whatever the decision we are taking, it can be broke down into small operations. That means I'm decided to make this video. So why I took this decision? In order to make intelligence theory part clear, or I will have n number of reasons for making this video, right? That is, it can be broken down into pieces. So when I say this, I am thinking why I am making from my brain, right? Humans will be computation carried out by the brain, but in computers it will be a hardware. Right now we are hearing the intelligence. So there are two types of intelligence. One is artificial intelligence and another one is natural intelligence. So we all have the tendency, like if anyone is asking us what is artificial intelligence, in a funny way we will say, right, what is artificial intelligence? If anyone is asking me, I would have been saying like opposite of natural intelligence. It's a human tendency to answer like that. But remember guys, it is not exactly opposite to the natural intelligence. So you will be questioning me, how come, right? So let me explain this to you. When let's take a general example of tsunami. So we all know tsunami's behavior. A big wave will be coming and destroying the building and things like that, right? So that is naturally causing disaster. Let's consider it as natural intelligence, right? But somebody XYZ is going into the sea and blasting the bomb to create a wave which is similar to the tsunami but artificially. That is called as artificial intelligence. Now you got the differentiation, right? I will give the definition. Okay, definition is here in this line. See, artificial intelligence, if and when it is achieved, will be real intelligence created artificially. Real intelligence created artificially is called as artificial intelligence, right? So it is nothing but I am creating something which looks real, but it is artificially made, right? So what is the goal? We all know we have so many things like designing or removing the human interruptions and things like that. Anything which why we are creating artificial intelligence will come as a goals of artificial intelligence. Now when we are talking about artificial, humans also involved in creating it, right? Or humans will also have the intelligence. So what are the sources for human intelligence? Three main sources we can consider. One is biology, one is culture, and one is learning. Biology. How biology is considered as a human intelligence? You can ask me a question. But let me say, we guys can live in extreme hot, maybe up to some degrees, okay? And also we can live in some extremely cold. That is the naturally inbuilt intelligence in us. And also culture. From our teacher, from our parents, we will be getting some intelligence, that is culture. Learning. Throughout our life, we will be getting the experience on various things, and based on that, we will execute some sort of intelligence. Like, we know if I am touching the hot vessel, it will burn my hand, right? So we will not do it. That is out of experience. Very first day, I was not knowing. Like, it will burn my hand. I used to touch, right? We all of us, when we were kid, we used to do this. So we learned it and we executed the intelligence next time, taking the cloth and removing the vessel. So that is by learning. Culture is something, okay, parents will say don't go there, you will fall down. Let's consider that example. That is culture. So collective intelligence. What is collective intelligence if we are asking? See, I am as a one individual, I am nothing. When we are in a group, that means everything. That is, group or collection of intelligence is called as collective intelligence. So you guys will be remembering ant colony optimization, right? How an ant initially will be behaving its intelligence. It was struggling to find out the exact route and things like that. But when collection of ants will come, it will discover the food and it will find out the best path and everything, right? If you want to know the artificial intelligence and colony optimization, the link will be in the description. Please check out that for more details, right? So next we are talking about the agent. So what is agent depends on? So agent is depending on the ability. So ability means what? Something I can do. That is my ability. Prior knowledge. I'm making these videos based on some of the learnings which I learned from my initial videos, right? That is my prior knowledge. History. History, when it comes, it is composed of observation and past experience. Observation of the current situation and environment or agent. Like I am observing, like, okay, artificial intelligence is a subject. Currently, we are struggling to identify and understand why we need it. That is our observation. Past experience. I was also a student who was studying the artificial intelligence, hence I know what is the difficulty, right? That's the history. Goal. What is my goal? My goal is to take out a video which can explain artificial intelligence in a simple way, right? You understood, right? What are the agent is depend on? I am depending on my ability, my prior knowledge, history and goal. Likewise, I should also get inputs, right? What are my inputs like? Ability. Ability is my input. Goal is my input. My prior knowledge is my input and history is my input. Current observation and past experiences are my inputs, right? So this is with example. I have already explained you with my example, but let's also see a robot. Like, what is robot ability? Ability is like it can speak, it can give the facial expressions, it can move and things like that. The goal is, let's say it has to deliver the food or rescue some people. That is goal for the robot. What is the prior knowledge? Prior knowledge will be category of the object, or sensor will tell what is it is saying and everything is a prior knowledge. And history will be like sound, speech recognition, etc. Like past experiences, it knows how people will move or how slipperiness, everything, right? This is with respect to agent. This is all we should know about intelligence and agent. My next video will be on programming in artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos on artificial intelligence. Please let me know your thoughts on this video in the comment section. It will help me to improve. If you are new to this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.